Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Tapioca strips bring an amazing, unique chewiness to many recipes, making them a hidden gem in your kitchen. Derived from the cassava root, these humble pieces are surprisingly versatile, perfect for sweet treats or even some savory applications. Mastering their preparation ensures you always achieve that wonderfully satisfying texture. This guide will walk you through each simple step, helping you create perfectly cooked tapioca strips with ease and confidence. For that ideal tender chewy bite, you must start with proper soaking. This vital first step allows the dried tapioca strips to fully rehydrate, ensuring they cook consistently and become wonderfully soft throughout. Simply place them in a bowl and cover completely with cold water. Aim for at least 2 hours, but leaving them to soak overnight in the refrigerator often yields the very best results. Once thoroughly soaked, it is time to boil your tapioca strips to perfection. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, much like you would for pasta, then carefully add the strips. Stir them immediately to prevent sticking together. Cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring often, until they become fully translucent and float to the surface. Their appearance should be clear with no opaque centers. Right after boiling, draining and rinsing your tapioca strips under cold water is absolutely essential. This immediate rinse stops the cooking process dead in its tracks, ensuring they maintain their perfect chewiness without becoming mushy. More importantly, it washes away any excess starch, preventing those frustrating clumps. Continue rinsing until they are cool to the touch and glide freely, completely separated. Now that your tapioca strips are perfectly cooked and cooled, it is time to enjoy them. They are incredibly versatile, shining brightly in classic Southeast Asian desserts like sweet coconut milk with mango or durian. You can also use them to add a unique texture to fruit salads, or even as a gluten-free thickener in certain savory dishes. Store any uneaten portions in the refrigerator, submerged in a little water, for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.